naming box. I mean tools. Galing sa Lowe's. Now we're going to do the unboxing. Pagkakaalam ko, there are 6 tools in here. But there are some more, I think. Accessories, including the batteries. So, let's start. Have my knife here. Oh, sharp enough. Here you go. Let me see. Okay. Right there. Oh, hindi lang pala tools ito. I think looks like this one is the bag. Oh, it's the bag. Craftsman. Nalagayan na. Ang bigat nito. Here's the blade, the saw blade. This is the impact driver. And this is the impact drill driver. Oh, it's a drill. So right there. Oh, besides comes with 2 batteries. This is the charger. And what is this? This is the oscillating tool. I have to learn how to use this. I don't know what is this for. So let me see. One of this is the this is the hacksaw. Well, they have the paperwork there, the manual then, which I can use. Well, this is the flashlight. So there's the circular saw right there. Here's the blade for that. We have some bits, drill bits, and driver bits. Here's that saw blade. This one is we already have the charger, so I guess this one is the battery. Yeah, right there. It's a 20 volt battery. It's supposed to be 2 of them. I guess we have another one here. Yeah, here's the other one. Let's see if this is already charged. Subukan lang natin kung na-charge na. Kung hindi pa, then we're gonna charge it. Ooh, it's already charged. Look at that. And there's a light. That's a pilot light. Na, guys, ang laman ng box. Ito, drill driver, impact driver, circular saw. This is the reciprocating saw. Ito ang blade niyan. This is the blade. This is the blade of the circular saw. This is the oscillating tool. And ito naman yung mga miscellaneous parts. We have this flashlight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus the charger and 2 batteries. And lastly, I got the bag, so it will be easier than putting it all in the box and carrying it. It will be heavy, but you know, at least I can handle it. And I have all these manuals, so it's better to have a safe operation than being sorry. So this was on sale. The regular price was $299, but we only paid $199, so we got like a 33% discount, and it's a good buy. It's Craftsman, so it's a good brand, and I'm sure this will last forever. Much more if you don't use it. Ang isang nabili namin na mga drill bits at saka driver para dito sa dalawa na ito, sa impact driver at saka drill driver. Right there. So ito naka-box na. I have some wrench here. This will be for the impact driver. And these drill bits, this can be used on wood, steel, or concrete. And that will be for the drill. And we got all these bits here. We have the square, I think we have some star, and we have some Allen wrench here. So this is a bunch. And this may be more than what I need, but it's better to have more than less.
Thank you guys for watching the tools of Mr. Benji, and hopefully he will put this to use. At kung sino ang bago sa aming channel, we will appreciate your subscription. And also, if you could hit the bell icon, it will update you of our new videos. Bye for now, guys. See you again soon.